this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from JumpTask. First, you will need to sign into your JumpTask account. Then click on your profile icon found in the top right corner. Now from here, before you are able to withdraw money, you will need to have linked a wallet to your account. You can use Trust Wallet, you can use Binance, whichever one you want. Just search for a video on how you can connect your wallets. And assuming you have already connected your wallet, all you have to do is to meet the criteria. So you will need to have at least 0.5 GMPT, and which is going to be about $5 essentially. And you will click on payout. Now, once you select payout, it is going to transfer those funds to your designated crypto wallet, and you can cash out from within this specific crypto wallet. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.